I know who it is, you know what it is, your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. This is a 1993 Chevy S10, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. First thing I did was drop this here glove box deal, and we got two Phillips, one at the top and one at the bottom. Boom, that's going to take that out. Next, put that in that cup holder. We're going to come down, move the ashtray. We're going to pull that out. And then we're going to come down here and we have another Phillips kind of just hanging out in the cut. Alright, put that down, and with some magic, boom, boom, boom. Now we got 1/7 mil right here, 1/7 mil right there, and then guess what? I'll let you guess. We'll have that radio out. Alright y'all, so that's the radio that we just taken out. You will need a GM10 antenna adapter and a GM4001 wiring harness. I'm going to have all the links in the description for you guys, along with the dash kit and the radio, but let me go ahead and get this thing wired up for you. Alright y'all, so I got my thing wired up. I got my Bluetooth ran, I got my antenna adapter in, and I have my dash kit figured up. So what I basically did is I took the old radio, and with the dash kit it comes with all these little pieces right here that you can bolt on and all that type of stuff, but I couldn't find this one. So what I did is I actually took this part off of the old radio and mounted it using one of the bolts that came with it. So don't worry about looking for that one. Take this one off the old radio. This one, I probably could have did the same thing on the other side, but this is the first one that I put on, and I found out that it fit exactly how I needed it to fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of temporarily do this just so you can see what I'm talking about. So with that, see that hole, I can get it right. This one mounts up perfectly right there. That one, I'm gonna have to come down. I think I'm sitting on something. Yeah, I'm sitting on something. But either way, that's how that works. Let me go ahead and get this thing hooked up. Now I know what you're thinking. JP, you did not go over the wiring. Well, the reason I don't go over the wiring in any of these radio removal videos is because I want them to be short, sweet, and straight to the point for you guys, so they can be as efficient as possible. But I did not forget about y'all, because if y'all go over here in this card, and it's over there in that corner, I have a video on how to wire a radio, and I also have a how-to playlist that'll teach you guys how to do steering wheel controls, hooking up a sub to factory radio, backup cameras, all that good stuff. So if you guys want to learn how to do this part, go over there to there and check that out. Other than that, let me get this thing hooked up so you can see what it looks like. Alright y'all, that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. If you guys found any value in this video, please hit that like, share, subscribe, comment button, do all the things that you got to do in order to stay tuned with your boy. Hope that I make this thing easier for you guys. Until next time, I will see you at the next car. Don't forget, all the links are in the description. Cars in the corner. You guys be safe out there. Happy installing. Peace.